Hello traders, and welcome to this video in which we will talk about the entry zones. There are two types of entry zones, the long entry zones and the short entry zones. Here we see that the Euro USD long entry zone is in 1.0751 up to 1.771, and the short entry zone is at 1.1111 up to 1.1147. But what these numbers mean? Let's take, for example, the chart of Euro USD. We see that we have a blue area above the current price, which says 1.1111 and 1.1147. This is the short entry zone we had here, 1.1111, 1.1147. That means that when the pair comes up here, we can short it at 1.1111 or inside this blue area, with stops right above 1.1147. The target, which will be a swing target, is the long entry zone below the current price, which is at 1.0751 to 1.0771. However, since we don't know if the pair will come all the way down here, our goal is to take some profit at a distance equal to the size of this short entry zone. This short entry zone is 1.1147 minus 1.1111, 36 pips wide. So our first target will be to take some profit at 36 pips below 1.1111. Then we can take some more profit at a distance twice this the size of this short entry zone, 3 times the size of this short entry zone, 4 times the size of this short entry zone, and so on. Of course, after we take the first of our profits, we lock the runners at break even, and therefore we have a risk-free trade. If the pair comes all the way down to the long entry zone, or maybe a long entry zone is created at a higher price where the pair comes, then we can initiate longs at 1.0771 with stops below 1.0751, and then we can look to take profit in the same process we followed with our short at the short entry zone. We have two channels in the service where we post entry zones. The first channel is the analysis channel, and we post in the analysis channel every day before the European Open. And in this channel we have long and short entry zones for forex pairs. This is Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. We also have for FTSE, Bund, for some stocks, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, Tesla, for the 10-year US note, and for the volatility index VOLX that FXM uses. This is the equivalent of VIX. It isn't exactly the VIX because the price is differs from VIX, but it moves the same way like VIX moves. The other channel we have entry zones in the service is the entry zones channel. In this channel we have the entry zones for SPX, for Nasdaq, for Dow, for crude, and for gold. Note that every time we give entry zones for an instrument, we give both the long and the short entry zone that are closest to the price. We have long entry zone for SPX and the short entry zone for SPX, long entry zone for Nasdaq and the short entry zone for Nasdaq, and so on. So that was it, how we use the entry zones. I hope this video was useful to you, and till the next video, happy trading and stay safe.